Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the Bing Chat or Bing Discover icon from the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right corner of the Microsoft Edge web browser and go ahead and left click on that. Go down and select Settings. And on the left side, you want to select Sidebar. Underneath App-Specific Settings, select Bing Chat. And then where it says Show Bing Chat, just toggle that to the off position. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.